This is me applying the moon hair wig. This one is the curly one. I gotta add all the details on the screen because I honestly forgot to post this. I recorded this a minute ago. I posted the shorts version / reels version or whatever you call it, but I posted that a minute ago. So yeah, it was 24 inches. Came with a necklace, a poster thingy. It came with the little tattoo shits, yeah, and the headband. Yeah, I like their headbands. But the wig, honestly, I love it. And I just did a quick install with the glue, the got to be glue for this one because I was doing other collabs the same week for wigs, but I am going to reinstall this one soon and show it with like the real glue and stuff like that. But I cut this one kind of funny too now that I'm looking at it. I'm probably gonna just type this on the video anyways, but it is pre-plugged, and I am gonna double check, but I think this one was pre-bleached because it looked good. Like when I was parting and stuff like that, it looked good. And I like doing it with the got to be glue because I just like how the got to be glue lays wigs. It's just they don't last long because I sweat, and that just ruins it. Any type of sweat, water, that got to be glue come off. After I put the spray over the lace, and then I put a strap over it to dry it, and then blow dry it also at the same time with the strap over it. I forgot to record cutting the edges and stuff, but the wig was pre-plucked, so I didn't really have to pluck anything for real. Like, I only plucked a little bit, and I didn't want to touch, like, the middle part because it was pre-bleached also, and I didn't want to pluck it too much. But this is the day after, the morning, or not morning, the afternoon after the night that I did it. And so I didn't have a wax stick yet, but I was flattening the top. It honestly works better if you have a wax stick because it just helps it lay down better. But it honestly, this wig was good and it laid easy and stuff like that.